Welcome to Rajawewa Resort.
Serene ambience with a magnificent view facing Rajawewa Lake.
The option to select between air-conditioned or non-air-conditioned rooms.
Experienced chefs catering to both Western and traditional cuisine.
Many tourist attractions in the vicinity of our resort, including Digavapia, Buddhangala and Rajagalathanna ancient temples.
Mahawewa hot water springs and even boat safaris to Sinhala Samudra can be arranged.
You can even make a day trip to Arugambe, Hasikuda Beach or Kumana National Park.
For more information, visit www.rajawewaresort.com.